everybody, how are we doing? We are home. I am so excited, so happy. I'm like, I don't even know what to do with myself. I just did a quick walk through this room now. We are at Old Key West, 1-bedroom villa. I won't screw it up this time. And I have to say, it is beautiful. It's amazing. So I'm gonna start right here by the front door. As soon as you walk in, we got a closet where you can hang up all your stuff, vacuum, fire extinguisher, everything is good. It's good. There's a mirror, a little table if you want to put some stuff. Looks like we have the little lock off, which we can't open right now, but this is the living room. Let's see if we can get some lights on in here.
Case, where are you?
Yes.
This is a good charging station.
We have the kitchen, which has a dishwasher, the stove, and all right, I'm gonna do it. Let's see what we got. There's some nice cabinets. Oh, look, we got a bowl, a cheese grater. Here we go. All the cups, little special glasses.
Dad, where's the trash can?
Little welcome home. We got some pots and pans down low. And of course, Joffrey's coffee. Under the sink, we got some paper towels. We got the trash can. This place is awesome. Yes, ice maker. Ooh. Yeah, we're gonna turn that on. Get some ice going. Get some drinks to drink. This is great. All the silverware. Ooh, look at that. Not too often come with a wine opener. So now this chair does pull out to a twin, and this sleeper sofa pulls out to a king, I believe. How awesome is this? Oh my God, look at the table, the TV. Ooh. All right, let's see. Here's our view. How awesome is this? Oh, it's perfect. It's perfect. And that does go back into the master, which we will make our way that way now. So we come back toward the front door. We make a left. But then we'll make a quick right. Oh, that is right. That is a washer and dryer, full size, laundry basket, ironing board. We come through into the master bath. So really, if we think about it, I'm gonna stand like this. So this is the main bathroom right here. You know, with the sink, the stand-up shower, and then the toilet. But because this is an awesome room, I'm gonna flip around. Oh, what? Yeah, that's right. Another sink, a jacuzzi tub that looks right into the bedroom. Another closet with some extra pillows and blankets. And I think it's pretty neat that they put these like lock ties on there so you know nobody's messed with anything. Then there's the in-room wall safe. Then we'll come back out here. Now this is the master bedroom. How awesome is this? Nice little sitting chair. Nice place to sit down, take your shoes off. Oh, we get some drawers down here. Storage. Lots of charging ports all over the place. And then here's that other door, like I said, comes back out, right where we were. I just love that fountain. Right there. I'll be sitting right there drinking my coffee tomorrow. So yeah. So again, this is the 1-bedroom villa at Old Key West. I'm loving this. Look at the artwork. It feels so homey. Like I feel really good being here. I love it. Love all the different artwork that they have. This is great. Oh, see, perfect. Little charging station. Put some phone chargers there. This is great. So you guys will have to leave comments. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you want to know. If there's anything else, any other information that you want. But this is our first time here. So I'm pretty excited. I can't wait. So we're going to get ourselves settled, and then we're going to head back over to Disney Springs. I have my haircut coming up in a couple hours over there. So I'll be doing some footage of that too. But until then, you guys know the drill. Keep up the shenanigans, and we'll be back with you guys on another video. Have a good one.